Now where did she go? She should have come by now. She's not picking up her phone. Seriously, where did she go? She should have come by now. Why doesn't she pick my phone? I think I should go and see for myself. Where she would have gone? I'll go to the boss's house. She must be there. Sir, my wife hasn't come back home yet. Who? Sangeeta. She left from here in the afternoon around 3 p.m. What? Yes, but she didn't come back home yet. I don't know. She might have gone to her friend's place. She's not even receiving phone. Okay, I think she might have gone to her friend's place or to a relative's place. Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, if she comes here, please tell her I came here looking for her. Yes. Yes.
Gaurav Sharma? Who is Gaurav Sharma over here? Gaurav? Is your name Gaurav Sharma?
Yes, sir.
Were you the one who complained that your wife is missing?
Yes, sir. I was the one. What happened? Where is she?
Look at this.
Tell me, is this your wife?
Yes, sir. She's the one. What happened to her?
Listen, Mr. Gaurav, we have found a dead body and we believe that she is your wife.
No, sir. Please don't say like that. Sir, she is just... How is that even possible? She went to work yesterday,
Mr.
sir.
Gaurav, get a hold of yourself. You have to come along with us to the police station so that you can identify the body, okay? Come with us.
Hello? Yes, hold on. Sir, it's for you.
Yes, okay.
Sir, we have got Sangeeta's call details. There are 2 numbers on which she used to talk a lot, and the location of both the numbers are same.
Okay, good job. Send me the registered address of the number.
Okay, sir. Yes?
Rajiv Anand.
What is it? Hello? Where are you going inside?
Sit down. Sit down, Mr. Rajiv. So Sangeeta used to work over here.
Yes.
Listen, Sangeeta has been murdered. And according to her call details, you and your brother used to talk to her a lot.
It is obvious that she used to work over here, so either she used to call us or we used to call her and tell her to come for work.
Listen, Mr. Rajiv, this is understood. But why would someone transfer 5 lakh rupees in a maid's account? This is what I don't understand.
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Stop right there. Let's go.
I was going upstairs.
Walk. Sir, this kid was trying to run.
Why were you running?
Sir, actually, sir, he's just a child. He might have got scared of you and...
Rajiv, I want the whole truth, or I have different ways to get the truth out.
Sir, I will tell you. I will tell you the whole truth now. Good morning, भैया.
Very good morning.
This is Sangeeta.
Greetings,
Our
sir.
maid.
Greetings.
Remember I told you about the household work?
Okay, Sangeeta, what all work can you do?
Sir, I can do all the household work. Vessels, brooming, sweeping, and I make such lovely food that you will not be able to resist. Believe me.
And salary? What about it?
Sir, at least 10,000.
Abbe, 10,000?
Yes, brother, she will do all household work. She'll also make food.
Sir, your house is so big. I will get late doing all the work the entire day. I'll get tired.
Keep her, भैया.
Okay. If you say so, we'll keep her. You can come from tomorrow and your
Okay,
payment
sir.
would be 10,000. Okay?
Okay.
Actually, brother, I want 5,000 rupees.
5,000? Yesterday I gave you 3,000.
Brother, actually, I had to take my girlfriend out, that's why.
How can I deny you? Okay, fine. I'll transfer.
Okay, brother. Thank you so much.
By the way, sir, can I ask you something?
Yes, ask.
Well, what do you do? What I mean to ask is, what is your profession?
Well, I'm a builder by profession. Why?
Nothing, that's fine. Sir, would you like to have a cup of coffee?
Yes.
What happened, sir? It seems that you are not keeping too well.
No, actually, my head is hurting.
Sir, if you don't mind, can I give you a head massage? Believe me, your headache will vanish in an instant.
Why would I even mind about it? Go ahead. Sangeeta? Sangeeta?
Yes, sir. Sir, are you planning to go somewhere?
Yes, I'm going to Delhi. There's a 2-day business meeting.
So, why didn't you tell me that earlier? I would have made and packed food for you.
It's okay, no problem.
It's not good to eat outside food. You wait for 10 minutes, I'll quickly make it and give it to you.
Hey, listen. Listen. You look after me so well that I didn't realize when I fell in love with you. I love you, Sangeeta.
What, sir? Look at your status and look at mine.
Sangeeta, these things doesn't matter in love. There's only love.
Hmm. Hello? Yes, I'm Sangeeta speaking. What? When? I'm coming there right away.
What happened, Sangeeta? Why are you looking so worried?
My younger brother has met with an accident
Oh God.
and the doctors are asking for 50,000 rupees. I need to go now. I don't know. How do I make this arrangement?
Hey, no, Sangeeta. I'm there.
Mm,
I'll do something. Okay?
mm.
Just a minute. Hey Sangeeta, take this. This is for your brother. Tell me, should I come along with you to the hospital? I will drop you there.
No, you don't need to worry. You have a meeting to attend, no? You can leave now. And if in case I need you, I'll give you a call. Okay? I think I should leave now.
Okay.
And yes, please don't say anything to your younger brother Abhay. I feel that he may misunderstand me.
No.
Please?
I won't tell him anything.
Okay. What are you saying, sir? Look at your status and look at mine.
Sangeeta, what is wrong in this? All these things doesn't matter in love. In fact, everything is fair in love. Ah. Hmm.
Hello? Yes, I'm Sangeeta speaking. What?
Hmm?
When?
Huh?
I'm coming there right away.
What happened, Sangeeta? Is everything alright?
No, nothing's fine. My younger brother has met with an accident and the doctors are asking for 20,000 rupees. Now, I'm so poor. How will I manage to arrange for this money?
Sangeeta, please don't worry. I have some money kept in the house. I will get it for you. Okay? I'll come right back. Take this.
Okay? I
Wait,
think
I'll
I
come
should
along
leave
with
now.
you.
No, you don't need to worry. And if in case I need you, I'll give you a call and then you can come.
Okay.
So should I leave?
Fine, but be careful, okay?
Okay. And yes, please don't say anything to your elder brother about this. This might lead to a lot of misunderstandings between us.
You just don't worry about it. I won't tell him anything at all. Okay?
So should I leave
Yes. Bye.
Rajiv,
Hmm?
I don't understand how I should be telling you this.
What? Say.
Actually, I need a small favor from you.
Yes, say.
Actually, my younger sister, she's very smart in her studies.
Okay.
But I don't want her to work like me as a maid in people's houses.
Hmm?
So, what I was thinking is, I should send her to Delhi for her further education.
That's a good thing.
But the school and hostel fees will cost around 5 lakh rupees. Now, how will I arrange for this money? So, can you please help me in any way?
Just this much. I will give you 5 lakh rupees. Okay, tell me your account number.
This is my account number.
70601, okay. And your IFSC code. And look, the money is transferred.
Thank you, Rajiv. I really don't know how I will be able to return this favor back.
What favor, my love?
You are a fraudster. So finally you revealed what you really are.
Is this the way to talk?
Brother, she's just using us so that she can get money out of us.
What do you mean by us? First, she took 20,000 rupees from me, and after that, she took 50,000 from you. Such a huge betrayal. How could you even think of doing such a lousy thing? You were just fooling both of us only for money. If you really needed money, you could have just asked me. There was no need of doing such a lousy thing.
Listen, you two have not done any favor on me.
Huh? Favor?
So what if you two have given me the money? You two have taken advantage of me. Isn't it? You were still fine. But for him, I had to be extra careful. Tell me, isn't it true? Say.